In the days of the Old West, cowboys lived by an unspoken code. The code of the West. Never try on another man's hat. Always remove your firearms at the table. Talk less, say more. Always do what has to be done. Some rules were easier to live by than others, and for some, one was just downright impossible to abide.
I got a name for that thing down there. It's called mine.
Never covet another man's horse. Built with honor, forged with pride, guts, glory, Ram.
An immediate evacuation has been issued for Collin County. Evacuate immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Collin County Emergency Management and the Texas state government. Widespread wildfires across southern North Texas have continued to worsen. Unprecedented drier than normal conditions, higher than normal temperatures, and high winds have worsened these fires as they continue to spread. Cities in southern North Texas have become completely uninhabitable, with nothing but ash and rubble left behind. Over 100,000 injuries and 50,000 casualties have been reported in the last 4 hours, and those numbers are expected to rise. Multiple cities in North Texas are expected to be impacted by these wildfires in the next 30 minutes to 1 hour. These cities include, but are not limited to, Arlington, Dallas, Denton, Fort Worth, Garland, Irving, McKinney, and Plano. Anyone within a 50-mile radius of these cities must evacuate the area immediately for their own safety. Texas Governor Rick Perry has issued a state of emergency for all of North Texas effective immediately. First responders have been unable to reach victims of these wildfires, with smoke from the wildfires lowering viewing radius along with roads being blocked by downed tree branches. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for all of North Texas until further notice. Contraflow has been enacted on all highways to have evacuations go quickly and efficiently. No time must be wasted, and planned routes are crucial when wildfires are the main threat. Take only one vehicle per family, as well as the necessary items, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, important documentation, and a battery-powered radio, to receive important updates on this catastrophic situation. Evacuate now. Do not delay, evacuate.